Ta-da! Welcome to my upcycling tutorial. Couple of things first. What is upcycling? I'm telling you, I was just like, last time I was on the bike, I do not remember that in spin class, but whatever. Anyway, so we're going to be remaking an old legging that I had. I actually ran in the Savage race with this one. Basically, it's like a Tough Mudder or whatever race. And I was like, let me repurpose these because I never wear them anywhere because I'm just like, they're so loud. It's just like, hi, you in the corner. You love Wonder Woman. I do. Anyways, so you're going to grab them by the middle area of your legs. You're going to make a half moon shape and then you're just going to cut there. The main point is to make sure that you cut very slow. If you can see with my pinky's acting as a hold on it. So basically that's going to keep it steady because you don't want it to be uneven. And then I think the hardest part is just getting it by the crotch. You want to cut as least as possible because you can always go deeper into the cut, but you can't go lighter into the cut. So that's how it should look like. I think that's going to be the hardest part, just getting into the crotch, but it looks kind of funny. But once I put it on, it makes sense. But also make sure it's to size. So if the leggings don't fit your legs, it's going to be kind of, weird. So it was just kind of like it kind of matched almost. But that's pretty much in the result. This one was pretty easy. I can see myself wearing this to a Comic-Con if I don't have a cosplay. Let's laugh together. I always have a cosplay. But I can see myself wearing to this Comic-Con or just a daily basis. It's getting a little bit colder, so that'd be cute. I got this from Walmart. And I basically just measured from my waist to my belly button. Basically, I wanted like a slight crop top. I didn't want it like under my chest area. But I just wanted it to be like a pretty much there. I know some professionals who have like a chalk, but I just use a permanent marker. Anyways, so I ended up cutting that just pretty even. And like the material from this Walmart sweatshirt, $7. The material from the sweatshirt was pretty cozy, so I think that's why it didn't like have like the little runs or anything like that. But I'm just making another half moon shape, and this is gonna give you like that off the shoulder look to it. You can go as deep as you want, but like I said, definitely want to start cutting as low as possible. So don't go right into the armpit, but you can always subtract, you cannot add. So we're going to go ahead and like I said, it's very important, very pertinent that you guys go ahead and make sure everything is lined up where it's going to be zigzag when you cut. That's going to lead to more frays and strays. I also put my red sweatpants behind there because I feel like you guys couldn't see what I was talking about. So this is from the other side. I'm using this as a tracer, which I thought was pretty genius. I think I saw it on another video. I'm so sorry I forgot to tag her name, but it's pretty genius. So you just get this other half and just use it as a marker so you can make sure they're both equally even. For my type A people out there who have to have everything perfect, I understand you. So you can just use this from the other side, but that's pretty much it. I was gonna cut it up more, but I feel like I kind of like the simplicity of it. So this is the final result. So I have this and I paired this with my clear hair hat, just playing, it's just a C. And then I paired it with some leggings I had around. And then you can dress the look up, you can go out. I can see this as a brunch look. I can see this as a kickback look. And I paired it with my clear hairs, of course. Now this, the piece de resistance. When I tell you, I didn't know it was going to be this cute. I'm obsessed. But let's get to this first. So of course I measured it from my waist to my belly button. And I marked it right there. And then I marked it on the side as well with the permanent marker. It's so unprofessional, yo. But I marked it with the permanent marker, and so I just ended up cutting across. I really feel like it's very important to let you guys know, please cut as least as you can. Don't go in and cut it a lot because like I said, you cannot add afterwards. You can sew in the bottom part, but that's up to you people who have time. I don't. So you can just go in this way, and then of course you can go back to make it straight if you want to, like more straight. But I feel like it's a sweatpants suit. Most of the designer ones that I have seen, like it's not a perfect cut, like they purposely sell sweatshirts just like this. But yeah, the whole suit was $14 or $7 for the pants and shirt. I got it from the men's section because the women's section never has pants long enough, so this is a men's size medium. on the top, and I think a large on the bottom, because I wanted a lot of room in there just in case I want to layer up while it's cold. Make sure you don't throw away those pieces. We're going to use those later on. And of course, I'm going to go right here, and so we're going to be drawing a triangle. So it's very pertinent that you do not cut the collar. The collar is going to act as your choker. So you want to go ahead again, see how low you want to have it cut. Me personally, I didn't want it too low. I know some people who want like a plungy neckline, but like I said, it is a sweatpants suit. I don't really see, I'm not trying to be sultry while I'm trying to be warm. I'm trying to be cute and warm, like not sultry. So I didn't want all my business out there anyway. So I just pretty much cut it like a triangle, there. And like I said, you make sure you do not cut the collar. This part is very, very important. Do not cut the collar, because I know some people like once they start cutting, they just start cutting. But that's the end result. I really hope you guys like it. I can definitely see myself wearing it out for sure. And as you can see on the arms, I ended up using pieces of the bottom of the shirt, and I used that to tie the sleeves, give it a different look. And then right here, I just paired it with my handy dandy white skirt I keep using. And then I had my beret that I just have in my closet. And then I paired it with a skirt. It can be very dressy. And I was just like, let me just style on them right quick. So I added my jacket that I usually use, and now it's a look. But that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys like my ideas. If you use them, let me know. Take pictures and slay this year on a budget. Everything in this picture is under $10. Dun, 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 dun. And that's the end result. Thank you guys so much. My favorite is of course the red. I'm sorry, y'all, but have a great one. Bye.